this presentation we are going to see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart which you are viewing is an 1 hour chart. That means every single candlestick represents 1 hour. Whenever I place a cursor on a particular candlestick, you can see the date below. And these vertical dotted lines indicates the price opening and closing for the respective days. Yesterday crude market opened around 5390. So yesterday's price opening was above the previous day's price closing, and also it was within the major resistance zone of 5400 and 5420. We all know that this is a major resistance zone. So because so many times the market had reached this resistance zone and there was a failure. So yesterday exactly crude market opened near the major resistance zone. Now let us see what happened after that. But we expected the crude to continue its uptrend. But the word of caution was that we can notice this 5360 should act as a major support and push the market above 5420. And we had explained clearly the importance of 5360. And one more thing I had failed to explain you. This orange, you can consider this at whatever color you call it. This is and we had introduced a new technical indicator. This is called the downtrend channel. And normally in downtrend channel we have an upper band, lower band and a basis band. So I have taken only the basis band, and we have adjusted the periods also. So if you have any doubt, slowly and steadily we will be increasing the depth of technicals. So continuously, if you continuously follow that, or if you have any doubt, please contact us. So we are ready to help you out. So after the price opening, the market entered into the zone of 5400 and 5420. So after that the market couldn't sustain that zone. You can see the price came down, and also in order to identify the trend, we had drawn a trend line also, so to see whether the price is still intact. But it had broken the trend line around 5380, and it caused a failure in the trend line and also the support zone, this 5360. We consider this as the most important intermediate support zone. In order for the trend to continue, we expected that this 5360 should provide a proper support for crude market. And the other important factor, since we have not introduced the downtrend channels yesterday, you can see the basis line was also broken here. But before that, you can see the market was supported by the channel also, and it was supported by the average, both the average and the channel. Now you can see the lines were broken and the price came down to our major support zone. So this is the most major support and the decision zone which we are expecting, because we had to explain so many times the market had hit this support zone and it had given a bounce back. So at present the scenario in crude is that crude was trading around 5300 and 5400 zones. So you can see within this 100-point zone for a long time crude is consolidating and it is struggling to find a direction. So probably most of the times the market went in favor for buyers, but at last it couldn't put something above 5400 or 5420. So today is going to be a very crucial day for crude oil traders. And another important thing is that today we do not have crude oil inventory report. Just on Monday we had a Labor Day holiday, so whenever we have a holiday, so the report will come the next day. So probably tomorrow we can expect a report. So what we can do is that you can see we had identified another trend line also. Yesterday if you are continuously following that, we can see we had identified by connecting this point and connecting low that what happened previously. If you have any doubt, go back and see the previous day's presentation, and this trend is still intact. So today the expected price opening is going to be around 5320. since it is subjected to changes based upon the currency factors, since we are predicting the price opening based upon the NYMEX values. So today also there is no change in our view and opinion, but you can see that this indicates upward. So all the average is pointing upside, and also the channel is pointing upside. If the price has got an ability to break this down, then it is going to be a reversal, because so many times the market is taking the support, and even on 30th the price broke this lower zone and it found somewhere support around 5260. So today is going to be a very crucial day for crude oil traders. In order to have an in-depth view about crude oil, so now I am showing you this chart is NYMEX chart, which means that everything is in dollars. So as I told you, slowly and steadily we will be going in depth with the technical factors. So this is crude oil chart, which is quoted in dollars. So you can see the market took some resistance around this zone, $97.2, and also this is also an 1 hour chart. So every candlestick represents one another. The scenario is going to be the same, just it is quoted in dollars, that it is quoted in rupee. And you can see this two line, one is a red color line and another is a blue color line. So how these averages, these are averages, moving averages. We have changed the time period according to the market volatility. So both averages indicate different periods. So now you can see, we call it as a mouth. The price is trading within the mouth. So here the price took the support around $94.8. So if you can watch the presentation which I had posted on 30th, I have mentioned this $94.6. The price was taking some support. So in order for the market to continue or come down, the price should be closing below $94.6. So since it is in the mouth zone, so this average you can see that, which is around 95.8, so around 96, this is pointing what our average here is 5360. It is pointing this zone where our MCX average is located. And at the bottom you can see this blue average, which is the support which we had identified. This is the support. So the 5300, it is providing a support here. So that is a major reason why we say that this 5300 and 320 is a crucial zone, because if the price is sorry, I have closed both the things. So if the price is coming down below the average, in MCX it would be trading below 5300. So if there is any closing below this average, it will give us a closing below 5300 that can reverse the trend. If you think that it is a more technical stuff, please contact us, and we are always ready to help you in this type of situations. How to correlate dollars slowly and steadily, as we had told you many times, we will be increasing all the technical inputs which we are providing in our presentations to guide you better and to make you as a professional trader. So today is going to be a crucial day. There is no change in our decision. The price should be holding above 5300. If the price cannot sustain it, then it is going to be a reversal in trend. Today we don't have crude oil inventory report. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our video. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.